Hello, content creators. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Today we'll be unboxing the EOS R50 V. First, from the box, we have the battery charger. You can see the battery charger. That's the battery charger. Yes. So that is one that we have right there. I'll try to put it back at the back. Then also we have that's like a small battery, but don't be fooled. If you plan to shoot all day, that battery is essential. Also we have the strap. The strap is good to keep your camera safe, especially when you are moving around with the camera. Also we have the EOS R50 V manual. Here we have the quick start guide and the warranty sleeves. So when you open the box further, you are going to see these two. You will see the now. First of all, let me pull up this okay, this is the camera body. That's the R50 V body without the lens on. Beautiful, lightweight, compact, especially designed for content creators, especially vloggers. There you have the kit lens there that came with it. That's a wide lens, very good for wide angle shot, also good for landscape shot. That's the RFS 14 to 30 millimeter. So that is exactly what you have inside this box about everything we have here. So in our next video we will be putting all this together to have a complete camera. So when we do that, or should I even say the next video? Now I think we can achieve that even right now. So what we have here is the camera body. We have the battery charger, we have the lens, we have the battery, small but strong. Then we also have the strap there. So I'll be putting all this together, but before I do that, I would like to charge this battery. That's what I will do right now. Plug it to the main source on the wall. So you can see it's on with a yellow light. I believe when it is charged, it's going to give us a green light. So while that is going on, I will try to do all the things. So we are back to the camera body. We will unlock the cover right now. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. I will remove this cover right now, then also remove the cover for the lens, also both the front and the back cover, and then we try to fix the lens. If you look at it very well, you see a red dot. This red dot must align with the red dot on the camera body. So you can see it. Yeah, that is the red dot also. Can you see that? So I will align the two red dots and turn the lens, and you will hear it click. Then the lens is fixed on the camera. So that's exactly what. So after doing that, you can see that the lens is now fixed for us to use. Next will be we'll try to fix the strap, because the strap to me is very important also. But before we do that, probably I will have to put the memory card For me to fix the memory card, I would open the battery slot, push to the open side. You will see the open side. I push to the open side. Then once I open the slot, you will see the slot for the memory card right inside the battery slot. Just look at the direction. It's already indicated on the camera. Just follow the direction on the camera, then you fix the memory card. If it's in the wrong direction, it will not go in. So as you can see, that's the right direction that I'm showing you right now. You push it in and it will give you a clicking sound. So that is how I fix the memory card. So after fixing the memory card, then we are waiting for the battery to charge. So while that is charging, I will now try to fix the strap. So fixing the strap is not too technical. It's just a very straightforward and simple way of doing it. I believe that you can also do that yourself. If you watch this video, it's very easy to fix the strap. So this is the place we are going to fix the strap, both end of the camera. So yeah, from the outer end, I'll try to slot it in towards the camera. Then we fix it in what looks like the best strap. So fix it this way. Just watch as I fix it. It's very simple. So when you just like that. From this end, just do the same for the second end also, and I think that fixed everything. So our camera is ready now, well strapped, so we can hang it on our neck while using it to keep it safe and keep it from falling, something like that. So also you can see that the battery is charged, so I will just remove the battery and fix it in the battery slot. So just push battery in and you get a click, then you close the battery slot, and that is that. So now the camera is ready for use. So in our next video, we will look at how to set up the camera for video and photography. So do watch out for our next video, and thank you for staying with us. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, love and share this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.